welcome to Noah World, and make sure you subscribe.
Welcome to Noah World. Today we have all these dinosaurs. First, we started with this dinosaur, and we have started with these two dinosaurs. These two dinosaurs are going to fight. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah. So the winner is this T-Rex. The next T-Rex. The next one is the Brachiosaurus, and another Brachiosaurus versus T-Rex. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa, I think the T-Rex is winning.
The winner is Brachiosaurus. Yay! Woo! Another one we have is a Brachiosaurus. Brachiosaurus versus Brachiosaurus. 3, 2, 1, go. I think the winner is Brachiosaurus again. And our big guy is Carnosaurus. Brachiosaurus versus Carnosaurus. 3, 2, 1, go. That was fast. The winner is Carnosaurus. Finally, that was easy. And this one is the person versus the T-Rex. 3, 2, 1, go. The person's losing. The winner is Carnosaurus. The human going down, and another one is the same thing. This car. Who does the win? This one or this one? Comment below. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner is Velociraptor. Woo! And the next one for over here is Naruto. 3, 2, 1, go. I think the winner is good guy. The next one is Spider-Man. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner is Mario. Next we have is Pteranodon. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner is Mario. We have another T-Rex. 3, 2, 1, go. The winner is Mario again. Now this time, Mario versus 1, 2. And the last one is drumroll. We have 4. Mario versus 4 Brachiosaurus. Are you ready?
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go. I think the family win. is a pterodactyl. And the final show it. Hello. You ready? Everyone do it down. 3, 2, 1, go. No, the family. The winner is pterodactyl and Dinosaurs. Comment down below how many dinosaurs can fit down on the table. I put 10. 1. Eleven, 12, 19 and 20. Oh my God. Are you serious? That is a lot.
My goodness, so many.
38, 30. Now everything on the phone.
Let's see, keep going. If it falls,
31.
if it falls, it falls. Let's see. No, balance.
Wow. Wait, everything in here. Seven. I will see you on the next video. Bye. See ya.